Take command of the road in the 2007 Toyota Highlander. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a roof rack, and more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.